The Beehive Podcast with Richie B. We're chilling with the hustlers, we're chilling with the entertainers, and we're chilling with the entrepreneurs.
Hey, let me do this, man. Let me open for you Barak Black Cat for Black Label.
Thank you. Mwah.
Black for Black.
It's all about black.
Yeah, man. Let's do this.
Uti toast.
I don't know. We cannot start without the toasting, actually.
Why not?
A toaster for what?
For Black Cat Girl revealing all the truth.
The truth.
Okay.
And let's toast
Nothing
for
to hide.
more money.
More money?
Vanna Babanchi. Hey, why?
For over Rina.
For over lady.
For over Rina. Toast to that.
Yeah, man. All right, ladies and gents, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for being here. I know you could have been somewhere else doing some things, but you chose to be here with me. My name is Richie B. Almost Mr. Donkey, my baby. A donkey, my horse. Ladies and gents, in the building, the one and only. Mutuaskomi.
Black Cat Girl.
In the building. Thank you so much for joining me, man.
Le wana Richie.
Karakunyaka.
Kalonya, ono kanyaka.
Why?
Umbona thrilling. Umbona jola le man. No, ono kanyaka. I'm the most wanted girl. Like Munaka are the most wanted guy. Obviously, did he thrilling attractable Richie. Secondly, ujola lo ngwana sesi ba happy a ona ska attractega re putsa re kenya re teng ngwana sesi ka diranyana ira too much
Emapili. What's happening with those DK with the real mo ke mang ke skomot?
No yona sa haine wa attractile ke yona
Biang.
ke three
We droile before tla kana le skomot or after?
before
Okay.
it's like ya hoduma foet di RV
Apela ke tsere
kisetseng
and I forgot.
nka khona ka black
Baira?
nka khona di RV ka black
Akitse o
cheka mo Google di allowed na
You can't say that because of o rile ke reke king HIV test. We tswere how?
muni wa rene khuleka wona mo phetse mini phetse yong kinto
Do you have it now?
Mamel, let's talk about this. You said what? Yeah, cousin.
Kilvage. What was my question? Such a jaili di RV. Di what ki di HIV?
Oh, the kana ka le bibi ya kana.
No, ase chukubuji
Oh no, we
I'm
saw
saying
go bona go bona guy.
the dig.
Oh, the dig.
I'm talking about the dig, yeah.
Hore iwe kana. Toro parke man di digendo o wa sangoma sala ba tlonyela bana ba itu.
Ke mang?
Skoko skothen.
Ba shemo a khwashema wa tsamaya.
It's o di mfethu. Ana hore. Koko skothen. Koko skothen. There's a most like a moneteng a ring the tattoos are Laura.
Tattoo dia Laura.
Are tattoos are Laura. I was like, tattoos are Laura bang foot. Ke really monnaga mo before ke le ba. Ka re bang ngwala skomot. Batho ba na le jealous Richie. Bona ngwadileng e bale.
Sekomora. Why Skomoka? Did you pay for that?
I paid. Nale ke so ke babala se ke re khopela re ngwala skom. Ke mo ngwala lone mo fatshe. A ngwala seko. Na ke bona ke. A ke fetsa ke nice. Ke go ntlu e fitla go ntlu ke bontsha tshumi aka ka tle ke re tshumi bona a re sekomoka awu ke re maybe bona ntse ene jo ke kholo bo ke re lendile ene manje monna ka ke montsha or you going to confess bona le sekomoka wa gao bona le sekomota so when he decided to write sekomoka go manje ngikhuluma so siqabene
ulwelelele happy there was a time there's a video they lore ke ibone lore ore wa roga re wena o blockile lo block
tlisa phone ka mo phone monna Kisam, wait till go le Richie, and this thing I'm sure you know it, ne?
Yeah.
It depends on that question who is like man.
Where's your phone? Ring your phone, pe.
Oh, immobile. Like it depends on that question who is like man. One tlhalohanya.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So a single one, let's
do. Me phone ke nyane, the big phone. It's in my bathroom.
Avoid touching this. Yeah, Indian nice. Are you gonna come on?
Yeah, you check. Yeah.
You can pass. Yes.
This is a small one.
We calling him now, guys. Ladies and gents, this is a Beehive podcast, and I'm joined by a Black Cat Girl. Go on game Mohachas Komod or Nele Mohachas Komod.
Come on, just go. I'm not gonna start using phone. I don't think podcast will go well. Ibaz rich. Basa funa. Kopela funa baby ya ne.
Yeah, for di la.
Agree with ron block. Ere ke mfuna ka video call pile ka WhatsApp. Agree with ron block. So ham block le obvious block le ko WhatsApp. Ka ka some block phone call obvious. O tlo funa kuma if blockan.
Okay. Areko. We be mo gofile speaker so e gona kwa gala ba gona we.
Miss call. Funa. Ke tlo be mo gofile speaker. Nna ka rata everyone.
Ebe mo gofile speaker so.
Ke ya ka ga se tshwa. Askala ba lorna black. Hello my darling.
O drop it.
E khathile.
Mara o ibe ke nyaka le ringa kwa gala ga.
Baby. One drop. Atura. E ba tlhadile basho. Then why etshwara? Why etshwara?
Why tshwara why drop?
Why etshwara then are hello. Why tso irela nne?
What's happening?
Ere ke for ke gire last call before ke tlo bolela.
Yeah.
Relationship are nne.
Maybe mo na gona ka tse video no phone ka call.
Relationship are nne na di driver.
Na ke go hape ka mo.
Relationship are nne ina di driver. No black, Oscar Leva. Black cat girl for black label.
I can need to confirm to raise ko motho tlhadile o tsotse ntwe ke bolela nga yona e bontsha bo tlhadile ba motho.
Baby. Love. Kanti go irela ngwa ndropela. Ke mo go richi wa misi richi. Ke mo lotas go irela baby. La bona gore ke a jela ntse no khone lo atlama. Umo kae baby? Maro o tla background noise.
O dropping.
Waliwa. And then yena he's the middleman. Maro o itlile ntse ke itlile.
No, a ke go ga botse ma.
What's so hirelang?
What's happening?
Waliwa so like a khone bua.
Oh.
It's like that thing yam affect her. Baby, can don't drop ella. Why you drop ella, love? No compona. Sorry for no some nagampon. Compona, my love. Compona, baby. King, what happened? What you want? Hey, love. Unakubona nini?
It's fine. And then but people are saying you are using him for working, for exposure, fame, and so forth. Yes.
Richie, if you what share this data stack,
yeah,
I had 240k followers before get like an baby.
Yeah.
Before get like my all over 240. I want to give a quarter of a million. My all over. My all over. No, everything is all over because of us.
Yeah.
And then I had 240k. 240k, guy.
Yeah.
If now I was just nobody.
Okay.
We have
okay on TikTok or where? On Facebook.
On TikTok, ne?
Yeah.
And then I Facebook like baby. Now my content, nelo content amapuna. I don't wanna lie.
Yeah.
Nigga push content amapuna. If Facebook like baby yaga, yeah, but push content down ring, kitotsi chepi.
Yeah.
Kachapa wena. Arga pero nani baby kumarata.
Yeah.
So Facebook like lena, ki posta yena, ba qala go ira go reporta content laka.
Oh.
Content la ngapona no, I sell content ke community guidelines.
Oh.
Yeah.
So boy, they blocked you, they banned you on TikTok.
Permanently, not just to block me, but permanently. But guess what? Within maybe 2 weeks of unblocker, I'm on 40k followers.
On TikTok now.
On TikTok. What the below to me because to be so na motlare. O shoga njalo manager wa ka rasta mpushi. Baka su tumulle. Richie, abona no Facebook how in followers kana.
Yeah.
Le ka bushu ha ka iluza ne?
Yeah.
We will follow all over.
All over.
Everywhere you go.
So can you what's about like an Skomota because of you know, I mean, for a guy like Skomota.
Skomota is a man.
Yeah.
Let me tell you, ne?
Yeah.
When he did it, he really more racolaka. Couple of telephone, we be silent. I got this Nale my future bay.
I did you
hear that? Nale my future bay.
Yeah.
I thought I was to Naka Camere.
Oh, you mean me as a future bay? Wow, good blessed. I'll have two. Yeah.
My man, I wanna did they get reeling again. And did they get reel? How fits you one?
It was after my podcast with him.
Yeah, it was after.
Okay, we said you won a podcast, yeah.
Yeah. Nike yeah, so podcast so man baba.
Yeah.
So after I give a draw, I wanna D-Day, yobo. I would say is Armoto on Alamotuna. I give you the answers are ring.
Yeah.
I'm patla until through manager Rasta. Rasta Ronalmuturu at Lualuen. Karke mang are Torafunakir, or can not commode.
Rasta Kush.
Rasta Kushi, the one and all the Kushu. I wrote the below was the person of Mata. Then after some point, I with Mantoha Matomarin. Are hello, Garahai, or a couple of no book.
Ah.
Mansamaton. Guess what? My first action on that. Come on, sir.
Seriously?
Thank you. Akfeso Munza, Arbibu Kupolo and a tattoo.
When? Yella Mulraho.
Guess what? Come on, sir. I got to say, I got the roller who defeated.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm free. So, like, to a minute and telling, come on, sir. Then if it's on Munza, are a couple of 7 numbers are confident numbers how. Because 7 numbers are.
Let's come out direct.
Let's come out. There are 7 numbers are.
Video call or what is it?
Video call.
Yeah.
That is what Munza what we call.
Oh, yeah.
Because 7 numbers are. Mfuneka funaka. Can numbers are sharp. I fair robo.
Yeah.
Kabushu, a funa hat, are going to be more like a Kamulum Pope, Kamulu home. Of which Kabato wear something yellow, but to understand the Kabushu. I had maybe 100 people, Baba Rumokai, Kirkiri Kumbarawa, the day with like Himbali, the day with Labuana, the day with like Jubik, the day with like a guy.
Yeah.
But guess what about Komot? Karmulu home. Aram coming. As I got the day with like Jubik, Nalamupitor, as I got the day with Lepitor, Aram coming. Karawata.
And he came.
No, Lester is
okay. So it's like a tappy, just over.
I feel it.
I
don't know.
When Black Label, but champions deserve champions beer.
Thank you. I feel it. I feel her baby. Come up, look, I need to motivate FM interview.
Yeah.
Hey. And to hell. I feel the interview. I must get Razanin itla. Hey, and twelve. I will wear eating it. Yeah, fair hey. With immediate effect. What are we eating it? Cat. Come tell my hood and hipping.
Come on. I kill man.
Natamali Marona says or what can I lin?
Which one?
Muruta Kota is to what can I lin? I don't want to line.
Yeah.
And the Muruta Kota by it.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
So never say one we are, and then the one maybe by in a position whereby by respect or whatever I hope lang.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
In Cape Molagina, one mama.
Tango.
Yeah.
Then God, so Hamaka, Lamarazang by entertain that much like they were like a test and pass like everyone who used to that.
Yeah.
Yeah. I feel Shanghai, shop. Or Rasunana, no to Sunana, like Kisana, no to Kisana, Ratama, no to Watama, Ramonana, man. Hey, Ralam like the camera. Nargalo Munana, rally shit. So, okay, sharp, very ajika, by a quick start on Boyum Bukanding. I'm Funela, I'll be busy when eat.
Yeah.
I don't want to lie. People are blaming Murutukushaki meets in Nazanga Money.
You've never met him, yeah.
I've never. And Murutadikota, Bamu blame, who innocent that man. Trust me.
Yeah.
Nah, I'm pointing a baby. Oh, no, phone. That one I can guarantee. I
have his number. I also sometimes he calls me and said it has 22.
Thank you.
Yeah.
The phone is at the sunny side. All right. So are etamo place e bjana guest house e bjana ka fitla mo guest house ke fitla fela a go ka mothola go nna monate re sa le monate moruta dikota like it's like a father to my man. It's like my father-in-law. I don't wanna lie. That one ke khonne bona le nna. 2 minutes wa mochego. I was all right tomorrow. Are ke sala shapa se mbona kere. I wake him to usale sharp. Are tlhakalolo. And then manje wa ga abu wa ga face ra emfita to disturb.
Gimango it's comoda.
It's comoda. So wa ga face no azanga molella. Mar facial expression. Yeah, so bana ngwana go no montsho re are ke tsore ke tlala. Wa khona bona ai papa ke thank so amontsha lena ka facial expression ora a ke hane o nchekile nawe ndenne mara now a re sa o tlhoka bandlalane then brother ko tale I don't know o ke dile message o re bya mara bandlalane
le ka mo roomong at that time
just the two of us work guest house kerena fela
Lily too
you can read between the lines yes then ya borwa jika a bua gape a re ngwana papa abo ara ke shap mogala abo
we tswere na go e wes komot
u sorry
ke re we khupile we tswere
u sorry cause lady o butora re
hey oi na ke fela file what di ha
ke shapa ka nna ke tlhaka tlhaka le motshaka then ya bor velai tse mna le bebe ka re tlhakane
le tlhakane
ka mkhono
you had sex
why is it tlhakane byang because of yena come
Lijane
na wait nna le motaka re tlhakane because of him azanga re baby ke mr Dwi tla Pitori baby aka ke mr Dwi tla kae o bele a nlatela mo ke leng teng skomode is a man banna ba bangata Richie when I waited for me to come to Pretoria for this podcast
yes
yena monna ko lateletse
I wanted to come and you said I'm coming that side yes
thank you wa ka monna o nlatile ko gating yes so he's a man amongst banna ba botlhe
do you love him honestly let's know I tlogele di camera now do you love him
I love him I truly love him I wish the driver relationship partner the driver I wish the driver you won't understand and I don't want to mention names but then in the driver when right driver go left go right chiga mone musune araba video call and all that shit but then what I can tell you gore kamar had driver relationships are ne I wish baka khona bona the side yaka gore ka marata I truly love that man
ne
yes I wish baka ngadi mena for 3 days fela ke buke ke mirele everything I batla re ne bo botlhe all over just the two of us why not us why not because lady why not us why not
I mean like there's still a lot of things man that I need to ask you onal tattoo but take me back to the guest house is it a guest house was it a guest house ne take me back to the guest house what happened there you smashed on a first date
many things have happened ne many things have happened
how is he in the bedroom like how like kitau ki katsinyana dintsang
mna ko romantic
okay
akena di ex but the ex ka chance
serious
it's come to romantic and o calm cool and collected
le mkunya wa you calm cool and collected
I feel like that andla
I feel like ya
aksu wile na ka taba e wonna ne ke sa re monna ka o romantic
okay ntshware le ke tlhapeje so ke tsore ke tsaile sorry
yeah tlhapele e re nna ke tlhapele go ntse ke tluba maka or right now
I'm waiting for that one
sorry ji monna ka romantic
did you use condom
on what
no go guest house did you sleep there
I did sleep
okay
but sleeping does it mean gore nna le monna ka we made love
I'm asking that yes did you have sex
I'm not going to answer that you know what
okay
ke private
phela ba re tlo molwaja so we need protection ya ga but we because of naban rumile remember I'm ke barking don't kill the messenger right
no I saw all the questions
yeah
Rishimara list reason Africans have list reason I don't owe anyone the answer to you ke oa monna ka le family ya hae
fail
thank you
we came shit chenka skoma totso
Sekomanta ke a morata. I wish ke drive tsa relationship ya rena. Di ka bona re vele ke a morata. Ba metlisa go file nna.
Come on. Huskies, don't cry here. Don't cry here, man. Be strong. We just need makeup.
No, you know,
yeah.
Correct. I'm happy with camera. And then I can't even prove myself. How do I prove myself for camera?
Yeah.
Like camera. Like bang fe chance.
Come on.
What we say, Jenny didn't put last or unfinished on my scat mopulukan. Carpulukan Mukamela, I'm with his my faith. Why am funnel if I'm rat? Why am funnel?
Yeah.
I got his my faith. Kupulukan, give it, Carbaby give it. Guess what? As long as a circle is from there. As sang like sure next time is a pulukan from chasing. Until it like a boy. I feta and send a apology message. Can I play it?
Yes, you can.
Where's my phone?
Here.
Yeah, thank you.
Come on, I'm sorry for that. You love the guy. Come on, need.
I wish everyone could see Camarada.
So he sent you a voice note?
Un sent it a voice note. What a lalay I'm pulling a miscut cawarata. I thought a couple of KFC. But what a voice note that day.
Kids, man, I will get an Majak. Solo Papa Majak, that's all as kids. And now, Killing Porsche, Solo College, Majak keys, go on the Majak, Scatol on Majak, one of the Majaka, and like I will have the baby, Scatol on Clean, go on the Majak. I love you.
Wow, the guy really loves you, man.
Like, why bang stop over Mutaka? Like, why? Why? Like, why? Wamudla? You can apologize. I can't sorry because if I went to Polukwani, azanga buela, azanga mutola. I give it azanga sabuele like a tula. Yena I once in the voice note.
When did you see him?
That day at the guest house, isn't that day? She would manje Didarna is a trender, but along zonda. I used to get mumang.
Wow. Guys, you can see him, sons. Now I'm emotional. I don't even know what to do anymore because of Labonore. Black Cat, come on. I'm sorry. So what does he say? Control.
Marking went to by post the gearing, what a content or what lying. Yes, I wrote a content or what the truth now. The truth about the post, but for content, the post and went to the negative boss and dela. Ampulella, Yana life.
Come on.
And I'm going to tell you one thing, ne? I can't arrive everyone called Twana. Crispy, I have like Joel and come for answer high. Hoga Fika Murta to go to Joel and kiss go more time. I can win Margaret what I voice calls Arena. Last thing is a funeral work was Nepesaloboto. Thank you, Dali. Wabo, Azanka you to that part. Good luck when I know Uribiao. Mara whoever Mudler you work was Nepesaloboto. I post. I'm missing negativity.
He's blocky.
What was on that so? My love, you know what? I went to the positive daddy feel going. Link up a rat, because feel, but Uncle Rua, but that's a feel, ring. Then it was so hard, sorry. And who went needy, and look at tell it that record out can blocky. It call out our one. It puts our one needs a guy. Did you listen to it?
I can't know much from when you're
a woman. Come block in your mouth. Yeah. Au wa bane e tla kae go shore go na le ntho e buileng ka nna without a proof gore awa maybe metemaga o re so maybe o busy le borishi ntho tse bja wa ntlhalane a ke tsore ba itseng mara ena e ka le gore au wa bane bile ke mo blockileng ya mmao eo
wa mo founela hape ka bona video engwe hape
ka mo
mmotsisha gore baby wena re
blockile na rena ka blocka ke mo etlo ntlhalosetsa gore baby you know what ne just that way se go ira lang richine ka motho ka mfounela a ke khone e recorda because o mfounela ko phoning e ke usang go record mara ga nna ke mo founela ke khone use spare phone ka se ke recorda ke yona ka recorda conversation a rena.
But do you sometimes o dutse one o mo founela privately so without recording o le bolela like monna le mosadi ba John baby I miss you, I miss touching your teeth, I miss, you know, on a normal conversation.
You're so understanding. And obana futex a recording.
Awanya ke chelta ha, awanya ke 10,000. Asta ba 10,000. Bare jwala sin. Bare maybe unya ka 10,000 tsa gagwe. Bare mavoso wa badge.
Nah.
O feel bokae?
Re tsena ka last bone go high. Money is not the problem. Go have ntirela. So go skumele ke tla la rata go true love. Skomota chelta feeling yona le yena today ka so bolela ke bokae. You know why? O ntse chelta ko tropong I latla mo. Are baby tsa enyane o mfe inch. Monaka. Ka etsa ka khona.
Ha ka tropong jwang like
a ke re na
botse ka e kang divan.
A ke sore ba mfa ka di manager tsa high. Are baby tsa enyane o mfe inch.
Yeah.
Ka count ne. Nna ka etsa 12 ka msela ba ka 13,000.
That lot of money.
Lester Sakubeka. Ek fisa mshira 13,000. Ka re baby tsa renyane go shetseng ntsha ro sho ka re a zanga account a le ke ntse ore buela la. A etsa e yotle a kenya go tropong. Then as re busy Kubeka. Show my like the most khuluma the mo re bua the mo go tlo chisa. A re busy re bua bjana before ke tlo tsamaya ke re baby na ka tsamaya a rona tshata na mele ka re ya ra a tse
again
ka re la butsa re ke tse inyane a re la butsa yona mele account e latlha
why itse ba chelete marena sekomela
ana ta ba le yona.
Come on,
money is not a problem.
Ghost lady. Money is not a problem. Banna.
Money is not a problem kumununga.
Come on guys. Phela bese komoto ha ebisha banna ba ba serious ba ba need ba di hang ka di pipe. Because every woman ke o crashes komoto now. I'm sure Lily Joy crashes komoto now because
I Ghost lady I crash munaga bjao.
10,000 mavuzo.
Let me tell you one thing.
Yeah.
Banna o itse skomota jo o kona go tshwarelo. I don't know if o motlile mo video mo
Kimkwile I heard that.
Wa kona.
Sorry mo aja se sa nkwatela.
You know last time.
Do you think someone maybe would let's answer for you motho?
Thank you. I had that record but then azanga ba tlo publish. Khona le mo ke mo phone izing ding ke record. I ke mo phone ebele ke record.
Yeah.
But it drop. But there are many reasons behind it drop. Is either go interview with it drop.
Yeah.
It's either busy ka something with it drop. So I can't blame someone for saying it drop.
Yeah.
Uyabo. So a fetsa ha tlo bo monna a re monna magaja ka se ka gopisha. Mantso a ngopisha.
Yeah.
Go tlo botlhoko. Gore la bo like why yena a khona no ke se ka gopishega. Ke eng tse a itse rundi ka ngopisha. Ontlhalwane. Amarata monna.
Itla mo go feeling namo. Yeah, le go tshwara se rope ka se ka.
I hope re monna go save.
Come on. So ngwana ke go bolela ka ngwana nyana sentse di nyana. O rote. Don't tell you But guys, a question that I'm asking guys, this lady, a musician, what performer? After I did research, but we're gonna talk about it. Or maybe outside. Or why hona game ya pull out.
Say Richie Bine, one question said anyway. I don't know if you're not comfortable with the Arab and a couple of Moses. And then if you're not Arab, I'll continue.
Marwar drop must know.
No,
maybe she is busy now.
Are some phone like a video call, phone like a call straight. a re mo phone re motsisa ha ka di araba then nna ke tlo nna comfortable
no ke botša go ena ke tla mmotša ke tla mmitša
like the privacy bedroom tsa rena
Oh, yeah.
so I don't know if yena o feel free gore nna nka nna ka bolele yes
I got the answer. Yes, I got the answer.
Thank you. So I'm not gonna answer that.
I got the answer.
Yes.
All right, ladies and gents, Black Cat Girl is in the building. BF is where you at, and Richie B. Your tattoo here, Mo. What is this?
Richie B. What is this? How is it?
Ukar kile blomo or ukar wapere something. I don't know. It's one thing. I don't understand what is happening there.
Wana bachon. Bambon. You know, I once had Cox Cotton. I read the tattoos a lot. Then I saw the tattoos a lot. It was before I have this tattoo. Tattoos a lot biang. Or if maybe Queen Minaj ke best. High five. I love you, my friend Queen Minaj.
Yeah.
I'm only lesbian in food. One people is a Brazilian nas. One people is a Brazilian. Okay, I repeat this. So okay, fine. Tattoo ye. Haki liana Queen Minaj confirm ar chumbar tsalo. O trole mo me diagram.
Yeah.
Ar chomi ber tsalo ora. So me ditlo ira chomi. Ai. Tattoo tsalo ra fel. So na ke addicted to ditori tsa makula.
Yeah.
Taba ke addicted to tsa jeng senda ore nka tlhela boyfriend for re fela.
Yeah,
Tanki. Montala then ka ira gore ge ka lora eno lora ke le ka bua makuleng ka kwa e ska ntahlela gole eno la hlela mo ke na le addiction a teng montala ha ke fetsa ka dira a ke re mitsane mo lerago a ke re I know they still want answer ya le ratile go tlo le mo lerago
Yeah.
I feel so to this thing mo lerago ne ke ntse ke itse re tsa lorobo and ne ke single it's big yes oh jo who want it small babutsisa guys who want it small ale batlo lena sa bikira ngolo ka nna
But it's not about the size, it's about how the driver uses.
Thank you. I love that. You know, I draw ne.
Yeah.
Ek fesa draw di day. But it ko behind the truth behind this tattoo ne.
Yes.
Bila this tattoo I heard about Kokomaweni. Kokomaweni agru tumile ka lawyer.
I can see what can you do? Can you ignore I agree with this. No, I don't know about that.
Udumezi go slade.
Yeah.
Lester. Udumezi. Look at me, udumezi. Kokomaweni na ke nna mosadi se more than na. Utumile ka lawyer wena lo abana ba batho. So yeah.
Ke mo lo ya batho ba batho.
Kokomaweni. Kokomaweni apa mo tlhale get away with it. You don't know that. So, before you throw tattoo ye, Kokomaweni o mo tlhale and get away with it ne. Ke bona that guy a tlhanya. And then I was like, enka tora tlhwa Kokomaweni mo. Wa fitla Rich B a re faka. Anthala Kokomaweni go dilele. So, ke nagana ka re ke tora tlhwa Kokomaweni. Ha bitse ke nagana ke what if Rich B o busy le nna ga busy Kokomaweni? But she can't be trusted. I can't be seen what to work. Yo. Not a busy girl, not a bukala can do this And then I was like, no, I no longer trust this woman. And then I got to this thing yaka Yona eskomota. You lor la gaufinya no. That is why if we win pile ke ngana ka itlhale this fight ke tlhaeletse. Ka content lori o ka se push go se we post ko WhatsApp fel ne
o tlo tlhaeletsang
dide tattoo ka ke fihle ka tro lori fitlhela yeah ke tro se everyone I bone
okay
ska post ko TikTok abadlali ibile abatlo bana ko Rich B wena bantlhabanye abatlo bana ko LJ o ne le flu atla matata no so okay fine Kokomaweni a ka ntsela batho ba ka tla le busy le bona ke makala mme a tlowa man
yeah
nna ke tsofala kara me do something. Kana kana re nka toro dijo tsaka. Ka di ba mo gaufi. Di se di lora, di ska lora gole. Then yeah, Kabulela Gaddafi, you are a man.
Gaddafi ke mo tlo di tattoo.
Ke mo tangireng tattoo ene na ke tso se se re ka cause of Gaddafi no mana line ke went net Gaddafi. Azanga mfa picture. Ke nne molelo I want a big dick on my palm. Yena I draw so maybe picture ke high. Kwazi bana.
Gaddafi. I want to know the guy. I want to meet the guy on a serious note.
You meet the guy.
So all the tattoos ke Gaddafi.
Ke Gaddafi. Ene ko ba to tora enngwe.
How many tattoos do you have?
I have 1, 2.
Let me see one. Which one?
Let's do this.
Oh, this one.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, this one.
2. Yes. And 3. I get 3. 4. I get 5. I get 6. I get 7.
Yeah, dig.
Yes. Then ke batla ya mo 8. 8 on the chest. Ke batla mo 8. Then 9. Ke 10 ka morao.
So Gaddafi hale draw hale tshware senena nyana so ha nke a tshwara kukunyana.
Gaddafi na le me demo mo wa hae o tweka. No mo tweka la baby. Don't do anything with them, I'm here, baby. Don't do that. Don't make a mistake. I'm available.
So hale tshwara mo kuku. Obviously to tshwara.
No, it was hard because of a drawing, but it should be professional. You know, Gaddafi is a handsome guy. I don't wanna lie. Oh, handsome. There was a part whereby Ari tattoo nice ne. Hello Makezi. Crispy. Kitla motlholo. O qala bona ngwana o tlo tattoo mo. Ke tattoo. Ba mbotsisa ke re ke dimono re ke sa ndo ke tattoo ba fana ba ke tattoo banyana ba ka lenhlile la nrata. Nna se komata wa nrata. No. Lingirela na bona ka wa mva. So Makezi, I'm the first lady, I think so. Come South Africa o tlo tattoo ya mo. Because of what was shebe, but all the tattoos are facing Musadi is so unique.
Yeah.
Then I came like this thing. Amagala. Then I first shoot a photo in Shibili Kumatlong. Ish.
Are
I shoot a photo in Shibili Kumatlong. I can shoot a lane. Katafi.
Okay, yeah.
Katatouye. You can choke. Come on, for don't choke. I believe she's more professional than one.
I think as mentioned.
Nah.
Maroka move. I got hopel to move.
No. You know why? Because of girlfriend that you chumiaka.
Oh, if it was not that,
It's a best friend.
Yeah.
Maybe if it was not that, ooh.
But are you selling?
Mara if,
Are you selling?
No, not selling.
Are you having sex for transaction?
Nah. Even if I was doing that, kuba ke pakile ka ka montle. Kuba ka tla ka request e patetseng kwena. Kuba ke pakile ya ka ka montle. Phela no no so ta o fitla mo, o no requestile o patela di thousands tsa hao.
Yeah.
O ntlalanya?
Because I wanted to hear.
Thank you. All the way from Limpopo to here. O patetse demand 1.8. Yeah. Nanga e pata 1.8 o re ke tlo bola taba tsa motswaka. Batho 1.8 ke reka le bottle ke na le baby o ga nna busy. Ampulela for ba rena.
What is the intention ka yena go ba le yena serious? We after answering that one we moving to your career.
Nice fine. You can ask that question over and over again. For as long as you mention my name,
we can share jengas komoto mtsotso.
Komata ke marata rich ne. Just that the only party loring head. I'm still gonna say it. The driver ka relationship ya rena.
Driver ya marato.
Driver to control ore nna monna ke ba lena ning. Ke monna ning byang now. Of which is young head. I so wish ba ka allow.
Yeah.
But like okay, even if I want trust, but for test.
Where's the test? Where's the test? Do you have it? Do you have the kit?
No, I got also I
don't have them.
No, you can't.
I wanted to test you.
You promised me on live Gorwena. Oh, regard the HIV testing kit. You know what? You said
you said
the nuts are the expiry. And now I promised the world to get tester. Mopila how go once or Coscomataga guys. Ericule Mayana Wagane. Lekan Kalala. Cascan just come out. This comedy is an innocent soul. Bannabalena, but let's go in Bostak. Bank shell left and right. Go for Banava Lefa. That will work too much again. la bona re bo botlhe re ka rasking se one yeah ere go no re jone serious note ne nka se skomota like we really go dizeba bolwetse byaka aka belo ga le AIDS if ke testa positive itla le ona re go khopetse re reke itla le ona ne go batla testa
the thing is that
una le ona o bua you know why you was go slade ne last week we le ko live are msade skomota ke mo live ka nna ka iqala ka re ke a lwala Richie so ke tla di HIV testing kit ke batla ba bontsha gore a ke lwale un teste live bo itse re monna a re ke batla gago maybe expiring ke tla le aka then nna ka decide to la ka expire ke so re tla go ya ga no and khopelo an test ka cheko ke clear le bitso la ka go batho ba le ba reng e ba lo re ba ngata di ARV ba be ba mfantsha ka speed ba re go mfantsha ba ntshwentsha go lining ya bona yeah
so the thing is that Blackhead if I were to test you now you will need a professional counseling before you do that because on your jenga to fitla
I'm willing to take that
go hot like then karoteja madia how
I'm willing
then it comes back positive what are you going to do
I lost my mom and dad next na counselor I survived that so ngakho go so be boru kunole AIDS nne ke tlo phela ka pilisi
what did you rage with the DF
but the rest of phela ka tsona thank you
all right
and then let me tell you one thing ne motho ke sa mtsebe ke monnaka a bona nna Richie ne la ir ke ska break ka nna monna ka first of all there's a video ka ina a trendela banyana go slave ne a trendela banyana ba suna mara ke itse o ba suna fele nna mona ke se good kiss every if side attract every woman le di jeka mota di swa ya tkwaletse ha sa khona o bona pile hore moga di chonki o ntla secondly banyana ba botle ba batla le monnaka but azamba khona ba lena babo thirdly ke nna ke khona re ke bele monna ke re fihle ko bedroom
what if you are no nyatsi go yena who knows
never maybe things so I was still coming there thank you come
sure
you know what I was still coming there and ke batle ke lebala the reason why ke re monnaka I so wishing ga testa lena in public reach next time podcast ne mpise lena nna mo ile nno nga test am willing to testa lena ne ure una le batwin you itse ba kena
ke we bule on the podcast
monna ka khala bo maka tso gore a o ratwa itse vudu ke professional vudu ke expert tsa khapu ka no role biso baby ke o rata o ko tsolona no ro bua ndi to bua makana ngaloye wena mo read between the lines mo no ro bua maka in public uma wena e tlo bua ndi to ko wena bua maka ke sa mathomo service 2 arena una le matwin bana le baby mama teng ke ghost lady you una le matwin maybe gonna baby mama munna
do you have twins
no okay I'm kidding but then there's a ghost lady like una le matwin and then thirdly are una le
manyana mona no bolela nna mara ke
o re ke bereke so ke throwing skomoka
mara still the middle
I come on chill bra Robala baby Robala mama ke urata utla Mamela Rigi
yes
Kitluza kaze utrele skomoka you know about this monano the reason why sabatlo publishane e botlo ko sa monna ko kwatile di driver di mmolele tsa re motsala ga ona le monna ba re ke skomoka
there's no way ya bontsha hore this is a mistake
a ba bone so
and a se sekomo wa bona le ntwe a se sekomota ke sekomota it's on a a se sekomo lena le bitsa se za bo lena kwa
mamela this e here
there's no e
this e
ke sko
this e here see
ainya ke
a re go ga itorelinga nna e re sekomoka o so this is komoka enene ke sekomota there's no e there's no K there's T
all right
yes
Blackhead girl go bitsa Blackhead girl mara ke tsoma bitso gago ko wena
nna ke nna mathapelo a ga kanyane ke tsoma rona ga phale mo peditsi mara ke rata ba confuse mina ispitering ya shaya isizulu ngiyasikhuluma so
o mara
nna ga phale need why go botsa need
yeah
because of crash Not Crashela. Crashela o tsaba.
Confession. You just confessed now.
Yeah, but the truth is, ke nna mathapelo ga kanyane. Ke tswa marulane ga mphahlele, ke mopedi, 2 nete. Yes.
Do you have kids?
Not yet.
You don't have?
I don't have.
And your family, what does they say about your life? Twerking life, stripping life, this life that you're living actually?
Family ya ka le ring. Le ring araba. Ere go was original.
Yeah.
Sala bang ko ba ko hae. It was so hard. It was painful. Bang go bile ko hae abuta ka re ke tsaba le kana Facebook o ka reng ka re le fase ema ke fologe.
Yeah.
And then marana for na it was like a joke. Or one of the famous weather.
Those ladies rabona hala ka mo we still fine.
Yeah. So so from there, family ko hey sala ndi am ko ba go jarateng. It was painful, Richie.
Come on.
Am ko bile ba ra this owner. Mara, what I can tell you is like my mom and dad, I no longer have parents there, but they teach me I don't know if you understand.
Yeah, to be independent, yeah.
Yes, basapila.
Yeah.
Mara ban ruta that life. Of which o tsama ga bona go rile ke pela fela ya o tlhoka or this type of sleep.
Yeah, go lady respect us.
Sorry.
Respect us, please.
So, man ruta ntshela hore ka tloela gore okay, fine, this is life. Let the day of it Maya. I can say the only thing that I missed about my parents is like I have mom and dad. But basically easy life without one.
Yeah.
And I love that. How I wish one day if ngabalongwana ngamruto play without the next appeal.
Okay.
Yes.
But you decided to, like, there are a lot of careers that you can do. You can become a lawyer, you can become a nurse, you can become, a cashier, you can become a cleaner, but you decided to be what do you do? What twerker? What stripper? What do you do?
Leg lady.
Besides singing. Besides singing. Because get what opera and tell me about why did you just decide to say?
I'm a naughty artist.
Naughty artist.
I decide how far can I go in terms of performance.
Yeah.
If I want to go fully naked, I can do it.
Can you run naked?
Yeah, sure. Bina iri akalutswa le pona le kelaka. Abankadima kelanna. Akelo kolodi kelo owna. Wantlhalanya?
How you chabishiwa? How do you chabishiwa?
Oh, since good chabis. Idlika lona. Why to this also can feel like indifferent. Ko re limits these things.
Did. Oh, imagine.
Sera dinza. La sala the way it linga thing. Different than size.
I mean, like, guys, no, you inspired like Mambuds. Maybe there's someone with a money, maybe with the likes of Zoda or Bantu.
Zoda only gave me a courage to do it in public. But deep down, the truth is like, if I can tell you back then, when I remember the Salaka Pusta, Fuchagili, beginning Praka, also come and scroll.
Yeah.
I want to post this pic, but then, I don't want to go have a problem. I was like, you back up my queen. I want a problem, but but then I post I don't have to hide it. But sir, I'm a problem.
Yeah.
Why you do what I have a flusana lane? Kaka Shogari, Gabe, Mama Hekim Maniac, one of Mama.
Yeah.
This moon. Go sugar Mama Gabi Mama at Lalohani. But then Kaka except Namara Richie, if I can tell you, my mom, if she was still alive.
Yeah.
Kara, this situation, I can support.
Really?
Yes. Papa was so quiet.
Yeah.
Whereby you not understand whether he support you or not.
So
more is up to you to read between the lines. But my mom would just laugh about that.
But your intention, what is your intention? Like, where do you want to see yourself? Maybe in, you want to be a professional legend, a stripper? What is it?
I love music.
Oh, you're in music.
Anything to attract, anything that comes with music.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Because there's a song now. Yeah. Iri.
E ke re tla
Nka
ka
felela.
sko mota wa ka e re ko felela ntaje e re ha ke re tla ka re ka ta liwa ka he ke re tla wa di to rotsaka mahalam wa snepe sa loboto se ka wa di pika tsa motu wa ring monwaneng a le moise marla Mrs. Komota o robala mo go nna o tsoga mo go nna o kisa mo go nna o ja mo go nna o tla mo mara o tla ka di driver mara pine re o tla mo ka nna a le moise mahalamwa again re shiri ko pele bebe ka kena
Efe.
yona e ra kena re mone mo ke
So sorry, dio be pele ke.
gona le mo re ha ke baby re mone o kae
Next time I think you'll have to come Liena. What is happening? I can't wait to have Joy here and you come with Skomot and we talk relationship stuff.
I can't wait. Mara baby go is he told me one thing.
Yeah.
As much as but for baby go atlhanya da man wa eka are it depend on botsa ke mang.
It's normal.
He's normal. Armana it depend on botsa ke mang. Ka re wena re tshiko ne le mo botsang are wena o breakile bobitšini wa tota are ke re it depend. Nka di bitsa ka 99 nka di bitsa answer mo le gole ntongolo ke na o be ke no bua apa nna ke call the di question di answer
Are ke nna self. Ke no
Mpudise, are ke no re o lo.
Ke no bona re ke hudile. Ka no bona re ke di tšeka moka.
Are bebe ke call the anyone di answer.
Yeah,
Aga di ka
le tlhalosela ka
mona
moka.
are ke breakile bobitšini ning ka sa arabe answer ewe ka no re foroba.
Man, and tell me about your music, your project. How many songs do you have? Do you have an album?
No, I don't have an album.
How many
but I
songs do you have?
Many songs.
Many songs.
Yes, many. I don't know how many songs, but I have many.
Yeah.
Yes, but this one, yeah, I can't. Because of my halam, my holding happening,
Still new. When did you drop it?
my all over. I did not yet drop it, Richie. I was waiting for.
But it's trending. I see a lot of TikTok is trending.
Yes,
People are
because
doing
I
the
was
do it.
waiting for your podcast to drop it.
When are you dropping it?
No. After this podcast, we're dropping it. Why not? Why not us?
Are you serious?
Yes.
Come on, I'm proud, man. You know what? Let me do this. You're working with people. Like I spoke to Rasta and I spoke to. Tell me, Timmy, how go?
No, not Rasta Nkushi. Get my manager. So the rest of the dancers, they go to Mbis, the dancers they go to Davidson, the dancers they go to Limpopo, the dancers everywhere I go.
Oh.
All over. The dancers all over. So I near cat. I mean, oh, good, okay, fine, manje. Tonight
you're at
yeah. High five to
Yeah.
that. You know, dancers, tamu pito. Sekele sana hadikit. Kabushiu. Kya ko Davidson. Kena dancers ko Davidson ko mo di Monday.
Come on.
Ka Wednesday kya ko Durban. Monna ka file chatar baby ya Durban. No monna ka wa diza. West lady.
Una share the
Ska matla.
Una share this come.
Monna ka is the most trending guy no as we speak.
Yeah.
I cannot tweet mara trend ko tweet. Lena na do awuzulu tweet again. Mara trend ko tweet. Tuta ke my love. Nna ke tsebe. Mara trend ba number 1. Bi anga rizi. Akalanya. So
Yeah.
Monna go itse ba di managers tsa hae ne what I love about the managers tsa hae. Ha mofa.
Chalet.
Then nna se go bedroom re be bo ga cheese. Go cheese. Ontshe chelete lo no ke ra wa cheese. Re ka
Guys, you know what? For me, all the guests, Baba Tilemo PF podcast is still going to come back. So if you have any questions that you want to know about a Black Cat Girl, please, she's going to come back. or ke bolela maka
ke tlo bua fela ke tlo tshela monna ka ke re wena re ara ka testing kit o rekile
a ka itshwara no
why no why is it ghost lady ne ntho mbora ka reach
what is your status
no mbora
what is your status now
I am not gonna barking expose barking expose maybe sanga school
You're not gonna answer that question.
ne ke batla ba re ko expose or ke disclose or king
not disclose
I'm not gonna disclose my status ne ke batla HIV test kit no shuma like yes ngifuna wenzeni ithi ngikhulume ke phela mina ekhaya siyakhuluma sikhuluma ngama language ngifuna ukuthi wena uyithathe uyibeke la ngisho ungitest maqeda uyibeke so bayibuke
bayibone
ndiyele South African bayibone uyibonise so mar no wezinto mbona ghost lady ne madam speaker kitlimisa wezinto mbona ka reach bine gore ke mokupile ko live
no it's fine we're going to do I can you come you still come
ke expirile ko tlapile gore nako tsena ke tse expire ke tswale chepi monna mabuso kana le tse expire ba banyadise ba ere ke tlogela bona ana yona ke banga afeta no bosa ke ma
you know what when you come back we're going to know hore botse sekolo tsene o dire hang the past relationship now are di tlogela because I wanted to know about those things but
you will
I think we've covered most of things tell already dumodi wa fish amfana
na
o fish no
what's ba renga ka sgo hot and happening hot and happy not only hot and happening sho ukuthi malento le ya shisa ni yenzakala
any words before I wrap up any words you want to say to anyone now
bana ba gesho ke nna blanket girl ne mosadi ya skomota ke a lerata ne ya sekolong di sentse mo se dirang a re diri mina isipedisa nhlule di sentse mo se lo ra dira ne a re diri because of re nyaka situation yo foster malapa a mangata a tletse ka di fake I love you because of chelete mara wena ngwana mma ifuka sekolong wafunda wakena wakera mmere kwa ditoro tsa gago o tlo thola motho o ratang kwena not because of situation a o tlo nna le rich be because of una podcast ya
BIF podcast
thank you BIF podcast a o tlo nna le ena because of that o tlo nna le ena because of unyaka le rato with or without BIF podcast o tlo qhubeka le ena but gona le batho ba tshwana le ghost lady o tlhele monna he because of o mokreile a bereka mmereko wa fela motlhala no ke nnete so ke lebelela nnete bana ba go ga ke nang sekolo a ka nna na head ke nang sekolo the truth is out there you know Richine na industry e inzima ngwana go gae I don't wanna lie and I wanna know ba tong go bela ditšhelete re fetetse tao re fetetse na monna ka mfitetse tao one famara with the as much as I love my man o re bibitsa inyane ntlole intshi no like put it in here bibitsa inyane ntlole intsi o tsa bokae o di 25k o tsa bokae o di 25k are ntlole inyane o se intsi baby are ntlole intsi wona o se inyane o fetsa tsa mara bibitsia o re meska ke tsore le ka nngara o tšeo da le ka mo tsia come on